In this video, I'm showing you how to make a beautiful chunky scarf using t-shirt yarn. This type of yarn is thick, stretchy, and perfect for creating quick projects that look modern and cozy. I'll walk you through step by step how to line up the grooves and insert the pin, how much yarn you'll need for a scarf, tips for working with t-shirt yarn so it doesn't twist, what to expect when you hear that little tick sound that locks everything in place. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a fun weekend DIY, this project is super easy and satisfying. By the end, you'll have your own handmade scarf that's perfect for gifting or wearing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY and yarn craft tutorials. Today, I'll teach you how to use this Loom knitting machine. It's super easy, beginner-friendly, and a fun project you can finish in just a few days, or even hours. I'll walk you through each step, from setting up the yarn to seeing your scarf take shape. So grab your loom, your yarn, and let's get started. I forgot to record the first step, so I'll show you using this red loom machine. I bought a pack of 2. You will get one bigger loom and one smaller one for kids. Inside the pack, you'll find the machine, pegs, a hook, and a needle. If you look closely, you'll see a little groove here. Your machine also has a tiny groove, and that's where you need to line it up. If it's not lined up, the pin won't go in at all. Just find the groove, slide it in, and once it's in place, you'll hear a little tick sound. That means it's locked. Insert all the pegs into Loom machine and secure it. Now, make a slip knot as shown. And attach it to the first peg. Pull the yarn so it tightens. Put the short end of the yarn in the middle. Wrap all the pegs as shown. Going around from right to left. Similarly, I did for this yellow big loom machine. I forgot to record second step, but I shown multiple times in this video. You have to watch till the end and you'll get it. Wrap all the pegs again, this time going backwards. To secure the yarn, wrap it several times around the middle peg so it doesn't come off while you work. Fix the yarn here. Then pull the bottom loops over the top. It's a good idea to wear a finger protector, otherwise your thumb might hurt. Repeat the same procedure for all. Repeat the same procedure on other sides too. Push the yarn down to the bottom of the pegs to leave space on top. Again, wrap all the pegs and repeat the same procedure. Keep repeating this step until you reach the desired length. Repeat the same procedure on other sides too. Keep repeating this step until you reach the desired length. Wrap all the pegs again, this time going backwards. To secure the yarn, wrap it several times around the middle peg so it doesn't come off while you work. Fix the yarn here. Push the yarn down to the bottom of the pegs to leave space on top. After a few layers, you'll start to see your scarf taking shape through the bottom of the loom. If your yarn runs out and you want to add another yarn, simply tie 2 to 3 knots and trim the excess. You can also make this scarf with 2 colours if you like. For a scarf, you'll need about 150 to 250 metres, 350 to 400 grams of yarn. If you're using thinner yarn, around 300 grams may be needed. I'm using t-shirt yarn, but you can also use any chunky or acrylic yarn. Again, wrap all the pegs and repeat the same procedure. Going around from right to left. To secure the yarn, wrap it several times around the middle peg so it doesn't come off while you work. Fix the yarn here. Pull the yarn from the bottom over the top off each peg using the loom hook, but make sure the yarn on top stays hooked around the pegs. Push the loops down again. Wrap all the pegs again, this time going backwards. Keep repeating this step until you reach the desired length. You can make a wide variety of items with this knitting loom, including scarves, blankets, shawls, pillow covers, hats, bags, leg warmers, and baby items by adapting the method to create flat panels or joining them for different shapes. Now you can start your own business and thank me later. Pull the yarn from the bottom over the top off each peg using the loom hook, but make sure the yarn on top stays hooked around the pegs. Push the yarn down to the bottom of the pegs to leave space on top. Would you buy this machine? Would you try it yourself? Let's see how many days, or maybe just hours, it takes me to finish this scarf. That's it for now, but stay tuned for part 2. I'll keep updating you guys as I go. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.